Do you have bad credit that needs business funding in the next 2 to 3 days? This is Jessica with Prestige Business Financial Services LLC. Our revenue-based loans are designed for business owners with bad credit under 620 but have business deposits of over $10,000 or more over the last 3 months. $10,000 a month is ideal, but we could work with some business owners over $5,000 a month. The program would normally give a business owner about 10 to 15% of your projected annual gross income. For example, if your average business deposits over 3 months is $10,000 a month, the annual projected income would be $120,000. So our loan would be 10% of that amount, which would be about $12,000. The benefit of our revenue-based loan is fast 2 to 3 day funding, and you could have bad credit and still get approved. This is more income-based and not credit. This program is more ideal with business over 1 year in business. It might be possible to still be approved if you have been in business for at least 6 months, depending on the industry. We offer a free in-house review and consult. To do a review, you would need our application, last 3 months on business bank statements, voided check, and driver's license. Our review takes 24 to 48 hours. The funding would have a fixed daily or weekly payback and could range in terms of 3 months to 12 months on average. No prepayment penalty. Once you get funded, you could do our rapid credit repair and trade lines. To give your credit a boost over the next 1 to 3 months, which we would work with you step by step to qualify for our more long-term funding options with good rates and terms. To expand your business funding options, it is best to have a 650 to 680 score on app. We have over 30 personal and business funding options. For example, we offer 0% business line of credit up to $250,000, 100% equipment finance, business term loans up to $500,000, SBA, real estate loans, and more. Contact us today for a free consult and action plan. Our goal is to work with you and get you funding you're looking for, up to $400,000. Visit our website today, www.cashadvanceloans.loans. Again, our site is www.cashadvanceloans.loans.